Start with a yarn over and cast on. Make 1 chain stitch, then work 25 beginning chains. After completing them, make 1 more chain stitch. Go back to the second chain stitch. Hook out a single crochet. Then pick up the outer half of the strand. Hook out another single crochet. Then do a yarn over. In the same chain stitch, crochet 3 double crochets. Then yarn over. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch. Crochet 1 double crochet. Now we've reached the last stitch, and we need to crochet 7 double crochets in this 1 chain stitch. After completing these 7 stitches, we will work on the central part. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch, and then, in the hole at this end, crochet 3 more double crochets. Now our bag bottom is completed with a total of 60 stitches, and we will start crocheting the body of the bag. Start the first stitch right where you are. Make 1 chain stitch. Then skip 1 stitch. Then we crochet 3 double crochets in a row. Chain 1, skip 1. In the next stitch below, crochet 1 double crochet, and then we group 3 double crochets, with 1 chain as a set. Complete this round, and then start the next round right where you are. Crochet 1 double crochet, and then in the position of 1 chain, crochet another double crochet, then crochet 1 double crochet on this stitch, and then chain 1, which offsets the small square like this. This group is the same, 3 double crochets and 1 chain as a group. Now we take out this green yarn. Insert the hook through this small hole. Chain 1. Then wrap this yarn tail behind and pull it tight. Then crochet 1 double crochet, then chain 1, and yarn over is still in this little hole, then crochet another double crochet. Then chain 1, then yarn over again. In every chain space. Work 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Now we have also completed this round with green yarn, and here I will use a purple yarn. Insert the hook through the middle of this motif to bring the yarn tail over. Chain 1, then in this chain space, we need to crochet 4 double crochets. Then hide this loop. Go back to the first double crochet. Pass through this stitch, then pull the loop over to make a popcorn stitch, then chain 3. Yarn over. Continue in this stitch. Crochet 4 double crochets. Now let's crochet the next row. Insert the hook at the position of those 3 chains. Chain 1, and for this single crochet, in the chart, I marked that the single crochet is quite longer. So from this green part, you can see we pulled through a long single crochet from here. This single crochet is longer because it combines these two sides together. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Same here. We combine them together. And pull through a single crochet. Here we need to pay attention. We also need to adjust the tension. Now we finished this round, so let's start by making a turning chain for the double crochet in the same place. Then yarn over and make a double crochet at the position of these 3 chains, yarn over again, insert the hook into the popcorn stitch, and join it with the 3 chains. Secure them together. Then yarn over again. Make a double crochet in the position of the stitch from the previous row. This way, we've made 3 double crochets in the position of the 3 chains, then yarn over and make a double crochet on the head of the single crochet. Here, start by making a double crochet as well. Yarn over again. Insert the hook into the popcorn stitch, and join these 2 together. Make another double crochet and yarn over. Still make a double crochet on the chain stitch. Then make a double crochet on the single crochet. Everyone just repeat this pattern to finish this round. After finishing this round, make a standing stitch in the same place. Then make 1 chain and yarn over in the same stitch. Two double crochets. Then skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet on the 3rd stitch. Continue to yarn over, skip 2 stitches, and make 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets on the 3rd stitch. Then skip 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet back to the 1st stitch. Then make another double crochet. Then slip stitch and fasten off the yarn. Now we have finished this white part. Let's switch to the yarn for the leaves. Insert the hook into a single crochet stitch, then make 1 chain. Next, pull the thread out from under this single crochet. This way, make 1 single crochet, then chain 3. Make 1 single crochet in this chain stitch position, then chain 3 again. Insert the hook under the single crochet. Pull out a slightly longer single crochet, then chain 3. Make 1 single crochet in this chain stitch position, then chain 3 again. Insert the hook under the single crochet.